Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Today we are with the Sony A9iii, powerful of camera that is with me in the photography world. Today we will dive into the features, space and performance for this incredible device. So let's go. Hello to the Sony A9iii, a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera built for professional and enthusiasts. Whether we are into the photography or videography, this camera is packed with features. Take your creativity to the next level. At the heart of the A9iii is a full-frame 24.6 megapixel sensor. This means sharp, vibrant photos and videos even in tracking lighting. From tuning land cap and detail portion, this camera handle it all. The autofocus system is a game changer, with 759 focus point for photos and 627 for videos. Look even into subject quickly and keep in focus. It's even track human, animal, birds and vehicles with incredible accuracy. Need storage? The Sony A9iii has 2 card slot for SD and CF Express cards. So you can record 4K videos at 120 frames per second or shoot in RAW without worry about pace. Shake hands? No problem. The A9iii has axis stabilization making your shoot smooth and steady, even when you are moving. Touchscreen is flip out. The screen size is 3.2 inch, making it perfect for vlogging or creative angle. And with USB streaming, you can go live in full HD or 4K with easy. Shooting at night, the A9iii ISA range goes up to 51,200. You can capture bright, clear photos and videos even in low light. It comes with rechargeable battery that's left up to 130 shoot or 150 minutes of 4K video recording. You are set for long shoot without interruption. With top-notch image quality, lighting, fast performance and advanced features, the Sony A9iii is perfect for anyone serious about photography or video. This camera that delivers on fronts. Ready to level up your creativity? Check out the Sony A9iii today. Links for deals are in the description below. Enjoy this review, like, comment and subscribe for more gadget review.